Archbishop Porter Girls is represented by
Irama Inti Amwadeku.
and
Malina Poache.
Archbishop Porter Girls Senior High School lost narrowly to Drobo Senior High School at the preliminary stage last year. This year, they are hoping to progress further in the competition. Archbishop Porter Girls, how has it been this year?
So this year has quite been tough, but by the grace of God, we've been able to see through. So we were able to qualify to the finals in the regional championship, and fortunately we were third, and now we are here.
They are here. You are welcome back. Then we have Obiri Yeboah Senior High School, who won their regional qualifiers contest against Swedro School of Business, Eguafua Brim Senior High School, and Abakrampa Senior High School. And they have joined us at the preliminary stage this year. You are welcome, Obiri Yeboah. Kindly introduce yourselves.
Thank you. Patrick Fafanu Agbodeka.
And
Shadrach Esiedu.
so tell us how you got here.
Okay, so this is our first time qualifying, so we don't have much to say. But what we know is that we are going to put up a better performance today to the glory of the living God.
Is their first qualification to the nationals? Is that what you said? Please, let's welcome them well. You are welcome. I hope you enjoy your coming to the nationals, that you make it a point to come every year. All the best to you. The National Science and Maths Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with GOIL PLC and supported by Joy News, AT, Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, Pepsodent Toothpaste, Betamalt, Ghanaian Academic and Research Network, Coronation Insurance, Accra College of Medicine, Academic City University College, Cowbell, Bell Beverages, GTP, Newmont Ghana, Africa World Airlines, and YFM. My name is Mrs. Gladys Odeshinga. I'm your quiz mistress, and this is a primetime production. So contestants, you're welcome again. In this contest, we have 5 rounds. Each round has its rules. But in all rounds, you are going to answer questions from physics, chemistry, biology, and mathematics. You have 10 seconds for questions that involve calculations and that do not involve calculations, and 30 seconds for those that involve calculations. You have just one attempt at answering. So if I should ask you to repeat your answer, you repeat, not change. In the first round, each school is going to get a question. You answer correctly for a maximum of 3 points. When you are wrong, another school may answer for a bonus point when they are right. But they will lose a point when they get it wrong. So before you pick up another school's question for a bonus point, be sure you have the right answer so that you don't lose points unnecessarily. When you are ready to pick up a bonus point, you ring the bell to alert me after the school that got the question has had their time elapse, or they have answered and I have told them whether they are right or wrong. So we have the rules in place. We'll start with our first round. I wish you all the best. I'll be starting with Otu Presby Senior High School. This first set comes with a preamble, and it reads, find the effective spring constant for 2 parallel springs of spring constants K1 and K2, given that find the effective spring constant for 2 parallel springs of spring constants K1 and K2, Given that, Samuel Otu, K1 is equal to 14 newtons per meter and K2 equals 16 newtons per meter. Yes, James.
30 newtons per meter.
That is correct. Archbishop Porter Girls. K1 equals 17 newtons per meter and K2 equals 15 newtons per meter.
"32 newtons per meter."
That is correct. Obiri Yeboah. K1 equals 24 newtons per meter and K2 equals 30 newtons per meter.
37 Newton per meter.
That is correct. Preamble to the next set. Find the least value of the expression and indicate the corresponding value of x. Find the least value of the expression and indicate the corresponding value of x. Samuel Otu, x squared minus 6x plus 10. Yes, go ahead, Bright.
The least value is positive 3, and the corresponding value is root 19 plus or minus 3.
That is incorrect. Archbishop Porter Girls.
The least value is 1, and it occurs at x is equal to 3.
That is correct. Archbishop Porter Girls. X squared plus 10x plus 20. Go ahead, Irama.
The least value is -5, and it occurs at x is equal to -5.
That is correct. Obiri Yeboah. X squared minus 14x minus 51. Go ahead.
The
Shadrach.
least value is -100, and it occurs at x is equal to 7.
That is correct. This is a common one to all of you, so when I get to you, give me yours. Mendel's law of segregation is based on 4 basic concepts. State one each. Mendel's law of segregation is based on 4 basic concepts. State one each. Samuel Otu, yours. Go ahead, James.
The number of genes on the chromosome.
The
Number of genes on the chromosome.
number of genes in the chromosome. That's incorrect. Archbishop Porter Girls.
Gamete formation.
Gamete formation. That's incorrect. Obiri Yeboah.
Okay, natural selection.
Natural selection is incorrect. So these are the answers I was expecting from you. A gene exists in more than one form of an allele. When gametes are produced by meiosis, the allelic pairs separate, leaving each gamete with a single allele. Every organism inherits 2 alleles for each trait. The 2 alleles of a pair are different. That is, one is dominant and one is recessive. So these were the answers I was expecting from you. Another common one, there's a preamble, then a common one for all of you to give me answers to. So several oxidation reduction processes take place naturally in our environment. Give an example of one such process. Several oxidation reduction processes take place naturally in our environment. Give an example of one such process. Samuel Otu, please give me yours.
Okay. Respiration.
Respiration, that is correct. Archbishop Potter girls.
Transamination.
Trans?
Amination.
No, please. Obiri Yeboah.
Photosynthesis.
That is correct. There are also combustion, decomposition, corrosion, and rusting. Samuel Otu, find the kinetic energy of a 2-kilogram object whose linear momentum has magnitude 18 Newton seconds.
$162 joules.
That is incorrect. Obiri Yeboah.
16 joules.
That is incorrect. Archbishop Potter girls, find the mass of an object whose kinetic energy is 24 joules when its linear momentum has magnitude 12 Newton seconds. Go ahead, Irama.
3 kilograms.
3 kilograms, that is correct. Obiri Yeboah, find the kinetic energy of a 5-kilogram object whose linear momentum has magnitude 10 Newton seconds. Go ahead, Shadrach.
10 joules.
10 joules it is. So Samuel Otu, your answer should have been 81 joules. A preamble to all schools. Find the exact value of the trigonometric expression. Find the exact value of the trigonometric expression. Samuel Otu, tan of the expression 7 pi over 12. So I call them. Okay, go ahead.
Tan 210 degrees.
What? Tan?
210.
No, please. Yes, Archbishop Potter girls for a bonus.
We have, it is negative outside, multiplying the expression 2 plus root 3.
It's correct, but you just could have said negative 2 minus negative root 3. Archbishop Potter girls. Sine of the expression 7 pi over 12?
We have it is a fraction with numerator root 6 plus root 2. This expression all over 4.
That is correct. Obiri Yeboah, cos of the expression 7 pi over 12.
Okay. It is given by a fraction, and outside negative open bracket root 6 minus root 2 close bracket, and denominator 4.
That's correct. There's a preamble to the next set, and it reads, there are separate treatments to overcome seed dormancy, which are divided into 5 main groups. There are separate treatments to overcome seed dormancy, which are divided into 5 main groups. Mention one of the groups. Samuel Otu. Go ahead, James.
Okay. You have putting the seed into an area of favorable conditions.
No. Anyone for a bonus? Oh, okay. So give me yours, Archbishop Portagals.
So we have, it is application of plant hormones which can which can inhibit seed dormancy. So example, gibberellins.
No, I won't accept that. Obiri Yeboah.
Okay. By placing the seeds in a water medium so as to allow the seeds to imbibe water in order for their seed coats to be softer for germination to occur.
No, please. So the seed coat treatment or scarification. Obiri Yeboah, what you talked about is for those that don't need to break their dormancy. They just need to imbibe, so they are normal seeds. They are not in dormant state. They are just dehydrated. So the seed coat treatment, that is scarification. Then there is embryo treatment. There is stratification. There is high temperature treatment, and there is chemical treatment. A preamble to all schools. Last set. Give the name of the element with a given symbol. Give the name of the element with a given symbol. Samuel Otu. RH. Capital R, small h. Yes?
Rhodium.
What?
Rhodium.
Rhodium is correct. Archbishop Portagals. Capital R, small a. Go ahead, Irama.
Randium.
Randium is incorrect. Obiri Yeboah for a bonus.
Radium.
Radium is correct. Obiri Yeboah. Capital T, small e.
Tellurium.
Tellurium is correct. And that's the end of the first round. It's sponsored by Pepsodent toothpaste. Every smile matters. Oh, give Pepsodent a smile. So I wish you the best in this round. Find the change in kinetic energy of a 2-kilogram object sliding down a smooth plane inclined at 30 degrees to the horizontal when it slides 2 meters down the plane. Archbishop Portugal.
20 joules.
That is correct. We continue. Find the mass of a homogeneous object of volume 1.5 times 10 to the power negative 6 cubic meters and density 2.4 times 10 to the power 3. Yes, Archbishop Portugal.
3.6 times 10 raised to the power negative 3 kilograms.
That is correct. Find the velocity of a 3-kilogram object whose linear momentum is the expression 6I minus 9J in newtons per second. Yes, Obiri Yeboah.
The velocity is given by 2I minus 3J, all in meters per second.
That is correct. Find the solution set of the inequality 2x squared minus x minus 3 is less than 0. Go ahead. Who rank first? Obiri Yeboah.
The answer is negative 1 over 2 less than x less than 2.
That is incorrect. Archbishop Samuel Otu.
The solution set is S is such that negative 3 over 2 less than x less than 1.
Okay. I'll give. Wait. Negative 1. Archbishop Portugal, give me your answer. Let me see.
X is such that negative 1 less than x less than 3 over 2.
I'll take this. Let me see. Negative 3. Negative 3 is greater than. I'll take Archbishop Portugal's. So if I multiply through, so that will be. If f of x, if f of the expression, so what I'm going to say is all in brackets. If f of the expression x plus 1 over the expression 2x minus 1 is equal to x, find an expression for f of x. Yes, Obiri Yeboah.
F of x is given by 2x over 1 minus x.
That's incorrect. Samuel Otu.
F of x is given by x plus 1 over 2x minus 1.
That is correct. If cos x equals 5 over 8, find possible value or values for cosec x. Yes, Obiri Yeboah.
Okay, it is given by a fraction with the numerator 8 root 39 all over 39.
That's incorrect. Who ranked second? Archbishop Potter.
It is a fraction with numerator 4 root 39 all over 39.
That's incorrect. Has the bell go? The rank. Okay. Samuel Otu.
We have a fraction with numerator 8 root 39 all over 39.
That's incorrect. The answer is plus or minus 8 over root 39. A man ate a fish which fed on zooplankton, which have eaten small plants. Name the producer. Yes, Samuel Otu.
The small plant.
That is correct. What name is given to the simultaneous use of two sources of water, namely surface and underground water, to irrigate a piece of land? It is conjunctive use of water. What name is given to a genome that is diploid but contains an extra chromosome homologous with one of the existing pairs so that one kind of a chromosome is present in triplicate? Yes, Obiri Yeboah.
Trisomy.
Trisomy is correct. What mass of sodium hydroxide is needed to neutralize 80.0 cubic centimeters of a 0.0400 mole per decimeter cube solution of nitric acid? Yes, Archbishop Potter.
1.28 grams.
That is incorrect. Is 0.128 grams. Determine the sum of the coefficients of reactants and products in the balanced equation of the reaction between iron 2 sulfide and oxygen to form iron 2 oxide and sulfur dioxide. Archbishop Potter girls.
9.
That is incorrect. Obiri Yeboah.
11.
That's incorrect. Samuel Otu.
10.
That's incorrect. The answer is 13. For the reaction A plus B going into 2C, given that the equilibrium concentrations in mole per decimeter cube of A, B, and C are 4.0, 5.0, and 8.0 respectively, calculate the equilibrium constant. Yes, Obiri Yeboah.
The equilibrium constant is 3.2.
That is correct. That's the end of the Pepsodent speed race. Let me address this. It's been done already. So before I announce the results for the Pepsodent Speed Race, there's a challenge from Archbishop Potter girls concerning the second chemistry question for the round, and their challenge is that the answer was correct. 9 to be the sum of the coefficients of reactants and products in the balanced equation. It is wrong. The balanced equation is 2FeS2 plus 5O2, that will result in 2FeO plus 4SO2. So your challenge does not hold, sorry. So at the end of the Pepsodent Speed Race, the reactants are iron 2 sulfide and oxygen to form iron 2 oxide and sulfur dioxide. Problem of the day. A star at this stage is worth 500 Ghana cedis. So I wish you the best. I hope one of you will pick up the star, or all of you can even pick it up. So kindly get up and stand by your screens. Don't touch the sheets yet. Good. Now you can pick up your sheets and we'll read the problem of the day together. Problem of the day. A committee of 3 is to be chosen from 4 boys and 6 girls. Find the probability that A, the committee has at least 1 boy and at least 1 girl. B, the committee has more girls than boys. C, a particular boy and a particular girl must be on the committee. This is our problem of the day. You have 4 minutes starting now. Stop writing. Please sit down. Our contestants have put their solutions on the board. I was really hoping that at least one school would win the NSMQ star, the Prudential Life NSMQ star. Unfortunately, none came any close to it. So this problem is a mathematics problem on probabilities and a red. A committee of 3 is to be chosen from 4 boys and 6 girls. Find the probability that A, the committee has at least 1 boy and at least 1 girl. B, the committee has more girls than boys. And C, a particular boy and a particular girl must be on the committee. So for the solution, A is a set of possible combinations. So 1 boy, 2 girls, or 2 boys, 1 girl. So N of A will be equal to 4 combination 1 times 6 combination 2. However, you had 6 combination 1, 1, 1 there. So 4 combination 1 times 6 combination 2 plus 4 combination 2 times 6 combination 1. And that will give you 4 times 15 plus 6 times 6, which will give you 60 plus 36, resulting 96. You get 3 cool marks for these. Then probability of A is equal to the number of A over the number of selections, which is 96 over 10 combination 3, 96 over 120, which is equal to 8 over 10, which is equal to 4 over 5. If you get this, you get 2 points. Then B, the committee has more girls than boys. So B is equal to the set of possibilities, either 1 boy, 2 girls, or no boy, 3 girls. So then we have the number of B being 4 combination 1 times 6 combination 2 plus 6 combination 3, giving you 60 plus 20, which is equal to 80. So probability of B is equal to the number of B over number of selection, which is 80 over 120, which results in 2 over 3. 3 points for this. For the C part, a particular boy and a particular girl must be on the committee. So the C is the set of a particular boy and a particular girl. So the number of so the probability of C is the number of C over the number of selection, which is 8 combination 1 over 10 combination 3, which is 8 over 120, giving you 1 over 15. 2 cool points here. Then you get your total of 10. Unfortunately, not a single one of you clinched a point. So that was the Prudential Life Insurance NSMQ star solution. You can change to your school emblems. Let's forget the woes of the problem of the day and move on, okay? It's time for our 4th round. Okay, Obiri Yeboah, please change to your school emblem. And Potter. So ladies and gentlemen, we are starting our 4th round, where I give each school a statement and you tell me whether the statement is true or false. When you are right, you earn 2 points. When you are wrong, you lose a point. You may decide not to answer at all, so that you save your point and another school will answer correctly for 2 points or lose a point when they are wrong. When you are ready to pick up a school statement, please wait for their time to elapse, then you ring the bell. I wish you all the best in this round. I'm starting again with Otu Presby Senior High School. At absolute 0, the volume of a fixed quantity of an object is 0. Go ahead, James.
False.
That is correct. Archbishop Potter Girls. At absolute 0, the total energy of any fixed quantity of a gas is 0. That is correct. Please bring down your microphone so that you speak into it. Repeat your answer kindly.
False.
That is correct. Leave the microphones on, don't put them off. Obiri Yeboah, at absolute 0, the total energy of any fixed quantity of a gas is minimum.
True.
That is correct. A preamble to all schools. 2 lines, L1 and L2 in a plane, have slopes M1 and 1 over M2, respectively. 2 lines, L1 and L2 in a plane, have slopes M1 and 1 over M2, respectively. Samuel Otu. L1 and L2 are parallel if M1, M2 equals 1. Go ahead, James.
False.
That is incorrect. Archbishop Potter Girls. L1 and L2 are perpendicular if M1 over M2 equals 1.
False.
That is correct. Obiri Yeboah. L1 and L2 intersect if M1, M2 is not equal to 1.
True.
Archbishop Potter girls.
True.
That is correct. A preamble to all schools. An osmometer filled with 0.5 molar solution of NaCl will shrink in the given solution. An osmometer filled with 0.5 an osmometer filled with 0.5 molar solution of NaCl would shrink in the given solution. Samuel Otu. 0.5 molar NaCl solution.
False.
That is correct. Archbishop Potter girls. 0.05 molar NaCl solution.
False.
That is correct. Obiri Yeboah. Distilled water.
False.
That is correct. Samuel Otu. Ozone gas can be detected by its odor. Go ahead.
False.
That is incorrect. You can actually smell ozone. Carbon monoxide gas can be detected by its odor.
False.
That is correct. Obiri Yeboah. Sulfur dioxide can be detected by its odor.
True.
That is correct. A preamble to all schools. A force acts on a 20-kilogram object and changes its speed from 20 meters per second to 30 meters per second. I take it again. A force acts on a 20-kilogram object and changes its speed from 20 meters per second to 30 meters per second. Samuel Otu. The magnitude of the impulse of the force equals 600 Newton seconds.
False.
That is correct. Archbishop Potter girls. The magnitude of the impulse of the force equals 1,000 Newton seconds.
False.
That is correct. Obiri Yeboah. The magnitude of the impulse of the force equals 200 Newton seconds. That is incorrect. Please repeat your answer. Repeat your answer.
True.
That is incorrect. A preamble to all schools. When expressed in terms of partial fractions, that's the preamble. When expressed in terms of partial fractions, Samuel Otu. The expression 2x plus 1 over the expression x minus 3 is a single partial fraction. James.
True.
That's incorrect. Archbishop Potter girls. The expression x plus 2 multiplying the expression x minus 4 all over the expression 2x plus 1 multiplying the expression x plus 3 equals a over the expression 2x plus 1 plus b over the expression x plus 3.
True.
That is incorrect. Obiri Yeboah. The expression x minus 1 over the expression x plus 1 multiplying the expression x minus 2 is equal to a over the expression x plus 1 plus b over the expression x minus 2.
True.
That is correct. A preamble to all schools. Indicate whether the following are true or false with respect to the purpose of transpiration in plants. Indicate whether the following are true or false with respect to the purpose of transpiration in plants. Samuel Otu transports mineral ions. Go ahead, James.
True.
That is correct. Archbishop Potter girls. Provides water that keeps the cells turgid, which supports herbaceous plants.
True.
That is correct. Obiri Yeboah. supplies water for photosynthesis?
True.
That is correct. Last set for this round. A preamble, which reads, given that R represents an alkyl group. Given that R represents an alkyl group. Samuel Otu. ROH represents only primary alcohols. Go ahead.
False.
That is correct. Archbishop Portugals. RCl represents acid chlorides.
False.
That is correct. Obiri Yeboah. RCHO represents an aldehyde.
True.
That is correct, and that's the end of the fourth round. In this round, we have just 4 riddles to solve. And for these 4 riddles, each school is invited to solve each. So each will come to all of you. You may take turns in solving within the specified time. For this round, if you attempt solving and you are not successful, you sit out of competition for just that riddle. If there is any after that, you may join us. I'm going to give you clues to help you solve the riddles. If you are able to solve on the first clue, you earn 5 points. Second clue, 4 points. From the third to the very last one, you earn 3 points. The Goal Riddle Bonanza is going to reward a school that solves 3 or all 4 riddles correctly. At this stage, solving 3 riddles correctly will fetch the team 800 Ghana cedis, and all 4 would fetch the team 1,200 Ghana cedis. The Goal Riddle Bonanza is proudly sponsored by Goal PLC. Goal, good energy. So we start with our first riddle. I'm a collection of particles. I'm composed of non-interacting particles. I'm characterized by such physical quantities as energy, number. Yes, Obiri Yeboah.
Photon.
That is incorrect. I'm characterized by such physical quantities as energy, number of particles, temperature, and pressure. Some of my properties can be derived by assuming free motion of my constituent particles, occasionally interrupted by elastic collisions between them. Yes, Samuel Otu.
Pressure.
That's incorrect. Archbishop Portugals.
Gaseous particles.
No, please. I am ideal gas. I'm a quadrilateral. My diagonals bisect each other. My diagonals are perpendicular. Yes, Archbishop Portugals.
Rhombus.
That is incorrect. Samuel Otu.
Square.
That is correct. I'm a type of ecosystem. Like other ecosystems, I form a partially closed system in which animals, plants, microbes, and other living organisms and their environment are interdependent and regularly interact. I'm somewhat arbitrarily defined as a spatially and functionally coherent unit of agricultural activity. I support the food production system in farms and gardens. As my name implies, at my core lies the human activity of agriculture. As such, I'm the basic unit of studying in agroecology and regenerative agriculture using ecological approaches. Who am I? Yes, Archbishop Portugals.
Ecological farming.
That's incorrect. Samuel Otu.
Aquaculture.
That's incorrect. Obiri Yeboah.
Agriculture.
That is incorrect. In fact, since I'm giving all the answers, I think I deserve the God Riddle Bonanza. So the answer is agro-ecosystem. Agro-ecosystem. Last one. This will be the determining factor. I am an inorganic compound. I'm a halide of a coinage metal. I darken when exposed to sunlight. I'm a white crystalline solid, well known for my insolubility in water. Yes, Obiri Yeboah.
Silver chloride.
Do I allow them, or I had called the next school? No, they rang the bell, they weren't answering, so I moved to the next school.
We were only
So, yes, they weren't answering till I moved to the next school.
there. We were only. Oh.
And praying. But I wish you the best, however it goes. Hope to meet you another time. All the best to you in whatever you do from here, okay? Obiri Yeboah Senior High School, congratulations to you. You have won the contest with 37 points. For winning this contest, you have qualified for the 1/8 stage. I wish you the best as you prepare to move on to the 1/8 stage. Go there and continue your winning streak. I wish you all the best. To our audience, I say thank you for joining us for this contest. Congratulations again to Obiri Yeboah for winning the contest. If your score happens to be the highest for the day, you may stand a chance of winning the AT Highest Scorer Award, which is sponsored by AT Life is Simple. This award is worth 1,000 Ghana cedis. So make it a point to join us in our next contest, which also promises to be exciting. This one has been very controversial. The National Science and Maths Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with Girl PLC and supported by Joy News, AT, Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, Pepsodent Toothpaste, Bettermalt, Ghanaian Academic and Research Network, Coronation Insurance, Accra College of Medicine, Academic City University College, Cowbell, Bell Beverages, GTP, Newmont Ghana, Africa World Airlines, and YFM. My name is Mrs. Gladys Ode Shringa. I've been your quiz mistress, and this is a primetime production. Bye for now.